Your Excellency, my name is Historian Dr. Julius Chukwuyi Isiton, Obiofota Ibanke. Ibanke, we are coming into a state mistakenly by our late leaders, Samuel Ogonia, who come us into Edo State. We are a capital, Igbo people. We speak Igbo. We don't understand where we are. These are Delta traditional rulers, Delta non-traditional rulers. I move with them, I understand them, I eat with them, I do things common with them. But in my own states or in my own local government, I'm just like a different person entirely. In practice, we are different persons because we don't understand the language, the food is different, the dressing is different, the attitude is different. So, we are here to thank you and to tell you again that there was never a time the civil senator met Imoko is begging a bucket to join. We are the one that is disturbing him that he should take us along. As we are lost before, now we want to go back because of the opportunity that is out now. That is constitutional review. Now we should not miss the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Igbo mulonze moza kwa yebo boni no biko kenebe chukwu ngoleba golibe ngoleba ke nji wasi gine igole na ngole because na Anioma State is now a reality. Echete mgbe kwubele okwu a chete mgbe a na-ekwu ya imago ọ dị ka ama nwesi imago ekwukata ụdị okwu adanyo ekwukata ọdanyo kita dị okwu megene enwe n'isi. In everything niile anyị eme about this Anioma community, we should also celebrate somebody like Nedo Nwoko. Onye nwa mere o ji wepụta reality. Enough of all this apụta sị gị Delta Igbo nke nwana Igbo kịta ọnụnụ ya ekweta na unu bụ ndị Igbo hụ ha. And ọ bụrụ na ka na-abụ ndị Delta Igbo bi n'Igbo Ikwere this thing solo aka na-esolo ha na-asị I am Delta Igbo, I am from Ikwere, mana ị na-aza Okonkwo, ị na-aza mmadụ Abuchi, isolo ha na-asị I am Delta Igbo, ọ ga-ịbụ onye Igbo whether ma ị chọrọ. It's time to clear those mindset afọ ile nọ n'isi during mgbe a na-anụ ọgụ. It's time to clear it off your head. Clear it off your head because there's nothing like a Sokoto Muslim. It's either Nebu Muslim or not. There is nothing like a Hausa Efik. It's not like that. Mana ọsọsọ na Igbo ka ya na-afụ. Okechukwu Abdullahi. Chidimma Abdul. Okonkwo Yahaya. Olayiwole Chidi. So na Igbo aka all those things ha dosara na apụwa. It is high time I put agwa ndị be na are you for us or are you against us? Ka ekwuo ya n'iru. Oya anyị need na agwa ndị be na see message send this message go go viral because as the kings of the community have come now together to back the Anioma progress on how kwesị isi na adị. So biko ebulu onye Igbo ọbụla type of congratulation Anioma community and celebrate yourself as onye Igbo because of this is a very great battle. I need so we win together. You got a galis kai increase. Emecha Anioma, let them focus to Adada. At least from 5 states, I am with 6, 7. All these curtains na abagote. Kamakwa na ndị Igbo abụrụ so mee 5 states. I am an na-ekwu na by the time you think Eastern region, Obiga agwa give these people 8 or 10 states. You should do something about that. Yotago, Kodikwan.
That's the king of Bululu, who is His
Excellency, the Deputy Senate President, with the traditional rulers of Anioma, made up of 9 local governments, are here together with so many critical stakeholders in the Anioma project. We came to thank you because we know that flowing from the declaration of the Senate President when he visited Asaba, we call it the Asaba Declaration. And we feel that for him to have spoken in that direction, we know that the smoke which you use as a medium of sending message has gotten to heaven. And we said, he cannot come to do all these things, and we didn't find it necessary to come and say thank you. And we know he's not doing it alone. He's doing it with you. Like our senator rightly said that from the onset, you have given us maximum support. And we know you will continue to give us that support. And that is why we say we must come and say thank you. There are so many issues we know that our representative are the red chambers. What is pushing for the creation of Anioma State is a project that has begun over 70 years. But we've not had somebody who has that kind of capacity to push it the way they are pushing it. The project is not this. It is the collective interest and desire of Anioma people. That is why we feel it is good we come to show appreciation. We know we have a very long way to go, but we also know that that long way will be made shorter by the assistance and the support you and your principal, the Senate President, have been giving us. And that is the reason why we are all here. It is difficult for you to put traditional rulers from their throne to come for this kind of a meeting, but because of the importance of the mission, we consider that if it is mountain, there is none that will be high enough for us to climb, and that is why we are here. Thank you. We cannot thank you enough. May Allah bless you.
President, my name is Majesty Charles Kunika the third. He introduced you to me as his king. He comes from Igbo clan, and I want to be here with that clan. And he refers to us as kings. We want to say thank you. As much as we can, we will go to the high heavens for the Lord said. Because there is only this the public. Somebody is masquerading as a woman perhaps for the Anioma project. The fact is that life is sensational. In every dispensation, when there is a project, it must have an alter ego to lead. When this began, right guys off, they used to say, somebody more in front, push projects. That's the way to speak. It's not plain rule because of any personal desire as being projected to the public. Instead, somebody must volunteer. Someone will need to sacrifice your time, your energy, and other resources. Like our leader said, to gather all the kings and here. And that's why I know we are able to support and to look at the balance of personalities here. representing all the stakeholders, and the politicians and the delegation and the technocrats. We are all committed to looking at the like this media. We are all presented watching discourse. People are asking, why are you watching this? It's a neutral desire and right. It is not for me to be able to put in to give you the consideration. But we are from the chapter 2, section 32, what you're about. Speaks about the difference of policy, affordable objectives, and what is right natural rights to express our desire as long as these desires are relevant to the Constitution. We are qualified in every aspect that we can consider to do what we're doing today. And we're doing it the right way. We're being reasonable by following every course that we're asking for. We may not shout move by moment. We can shout America, that would be America or shouted about a week ago. We want to now go in aside the for the Senate President. So when we said that, I thought I was saying, come and see. Because we know that friends and God did not make it to do that. It's a grand project and it's going to be very important. So we want to say thank you so much. We have heard and seen that you are the center point. So we were saying thank you to the Senate President. We are seeing you now saying more thanks to you. We know that when you speak, you heard. So, with the amount of those here, and those that want to see, thank you so much. We know that I want to thank you more for all. Thank you so much. God bless you.
On behalf of the good people of the Nigerian, I want to thank His Excellency for finding time to listen to us. Mine is to amplify on what our leader, the job of Okoloma, has said, and to inform you that even the constitution of Ohanese, Anioma is recognized at the 6th. And for the Deputy Senate President, I enjoyed what he said yesterday, but it's talk to the limit of his knowledge. Take myself for example, from Delta, if I'm to be coronated, certain things, ingredients of my coronation, we went as far as to Anambra to come and this. And if somebody is to be coronated there, they pay homage to and vice versa. So we are brothers, there's nothing like separation. Thank you.
Your Excellency, my name is His Royal Highness Dr. Julius Chukwuyin Isito, Obiofota Ibanke. Ibanke, we are coming to Edo State, mistakenly by our late leaders, Samuel Ogonia, who come us into Edo State. We are a capital, Igbo people. We speak Igbo. We don't understand where we are. These are Delta traditional rulers, Delta non-traditional rulers. I move with them, I understand them, I eat with them, I do things common with them. But in my own state or in my own local government, I'm just like a different person entirely. In practice, we are different persons because we don't understand the language, the food is different, the dressing is different, the attitude is different. So we are here to thank you and to tell you again that there was never a time the civil senator elect Iloko is begging a bucket to join. We are the one that is disturbing him that he should take us along. As we are lost before, now we want to go back because of the opportunity that is out now. That is constitutional review. Now we should not miss the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, Deputy Senate President, our distinguished Senator and Moko, distinguished royal fathers and leaders, which many people stand on the existing protocol. Your Excellency, it is truly a privilege for us to be here, right in your own house, having this meeting. We thank you so much for this privilege. We are normal people, and like our traditional rulers have earlier said, the fact, the desire for Anioma State is older than practically all of us here. And in 1983, the National Assembly actually created Anioma State as one of the states at the time. What was left was the referendum, and then the army struck. And that's our ambition that so many decades old was important. And every time that there has been an opportunity to review the constitution and create states, we will always be forefront. We will never get it. But the time that today, we have a senator whose desire is the desire of his people, who is ready to do everything and anything that will make his people happy, bring justice, equity to his people. Originally, we belong to the Igbo bloc. But what happened many years ago when the British first came into Nigeria? They came into Anioma land. But our warriors, we deceived them. They could not defeat our warriors, and they could not penetrate our land. The probably African are the Igbo warriors. These are Anioma warriors. The British were defeated in our land, and they went back with their tails between their legs. They didn't forget. When eventually they managed to go out and took over Nigeria, they decided that they needed to dismember, divide the people so that their strength would be diminished, because they knew that there are some people in the land who can resist and do things, and we were cut off from our brotherhood, and they used an imaginary boundary, the River Niger, to carry us and put us where we shouldn't be. And that's why in 1937, some of our traditional rulers, including the grandfather of our senator today, went to London to demand that our people should be brought back into a province. That actually is a historical reason for the struggle for Anioma independence as a state. When this thing started, the senator has been carrying all of us along, and the entire Anioma people are solidly behind them. I can start to say that confidently. We have sent in all the memoranda from stage to stage, and we showed that all the things that are required for the creation of a state we possess. We have the landmass, we have the population, we have a history, a rich history that shows that we are indeed Igbo. And the connection between us and our brothers in the southeast is undeniable. And we have the economic viability, we have the resources, and we have the manpower, the intelligence. When you come into talk about economics, talk about academia, you talk about the people that are controlling the economy of this country, many Anioma sons and daughters will be counted in full. So everything that we think is needed for the creation of Anioma State we possess, and we have presented it to the committee over time. For a lot of time,
I just want to emphasize again that we are unified behind our senator in the quest for the creation of this state. And to say a very big thank you to you, and to the Senate President, and also members of the Federal House of Representatives for their support so far, and continue to appeal for continued further support. We know that when this is achieved, there will be a great celebration in Anioma land, and we will remember all of you who have helped us. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Your Excellency, guess what I did? No, guess what? First of all, let me let people know that you and Senator Mayor, you have a similarity. My real fathers, when you hear of Barao football team, it's a national team. Yes. That is the owner. Of course, you know his name is Barao. So he is the Barao, he is the footballer, and is everything. And like you all know that Senator Ned Woko is a footballer and is the first person in Africa of sports university. So anyway, you know, you are here. Well, let me use this opportunity, my real fathers, to thank you people for coming to meet us here. Because as far as I'm concerned, these two people sitting down here, they are my own brothers. My brother in the south, my brother in the north. Like I said, please, I am putting my own mouth to Bagina, Nasa, Chitewa, all that is necessary to do about the Nasara. China Onimakaso. Kumaruwa Nimokaso. Please, in the name of Allah, in the name of God, I know, you see, for me, I am an outsider, whether you don't like it or not. You know, I didn't even know we are coming to see them with that sort of properly dressed. Otherwise, I would have been with my red cap. But I want to identify properly. Like the God bless you. Please, all that you will do it for us, and God will bless you, my brother.
Your Excellency, Deputy State President, dear distinguished Senator, Ned Mongo, and Royal Fathers, assemblies in program. Your Excellency, we are here to express our gratitude and to dispel the rumor, the propaganda that this state creation is a solo movement. We the people, I standing here and my brothers here, we represent the youth. We the youth are solidly behind our distinguished senator, and we believe with your support and the support of your colleagues in the Senate, we will definitely get this. Thank you once again, and God bless you.